Good.
Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are checking out the latest tech from InfinityKloud, makers of the super handy, user-friendly InfinityKloud USB stick. Now this little guy right here is a 64GB edition, a pretty decent storage solution for people looking to back up what's on their computer. The built-in software makes backing up documents, photos, videos, and even music files as easy as one click. Unlike those online cloud-based services, the InfinityKloud advantage is that you do not require an internet connection to access your data once it's been backed up. Better still, there are no monthly fees for these devices, and you always know exactly where your stuff is. If you need privacy, InfinityKloud is the way to go. The original InfinityKloud was a big hit with consumers. Now the team at InfinityKloud is introducing 2 new products to optimize your storage needs even more. What's nice is that they've kept the plug-and-play functionality of the original, but with added customization capabilities. Introducing InfinityKloud SD and InfinityKloud Charge, the next wave of USB innovation. Now, the first thing you'll notice is the new color and design of the casings. Now, don't get me wrong, I loved the bold red of the original, but these new ones just feel a whole lot sexier. InfinityKloud SD works for people with PCs, Macs, and Android phones. Now, if you're partial to iPhones and iPads, you'll want the InfinityKloud Charge, which is compatible with all iOS devices. The other big difference between these products and the old version is that InfinityKloud now uses micro SD cards for memory. No matter which version you choose, the InfinityKloud SD or InfinityKloud Charge, you have your choice of selecting either a 32, 64, or 128GB micro SD card at the time of purchase. Now, previously, you were limited to that 64GB of space on the stick itself. Now, you have the option of boosting your storage at any time up to 512GB. Now, rest assured, InfinityKloud is hot swappable and robust as ever. Now, if you thought the original InfinityKloud was quick, these new InfinityKloud products are much faster, with data transfer speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second. That's 1.6 times quicker than the original. And believe me, if you have a lot of files you're going to upload, you'll want that extra speed. Now, another difference to point out, when you're using the InfinityKloud Charge, you'll be charging the mobile device that you're backing up at the same time. This is a big plus if you're like me and are always the person who is constantly running out of battery power. And finally, both the InfinityKloud SD and InfinityKloud Charge include a protective cap for added defense against dust contamination. Just one more little touch that differentiates the InfinityKloud Gen 2 products from the previous version. So what's the final verdict? If you're savvy enough to use a computer or a smartphone, but you don't enjoy the hassle of figuring out how and where to back up your files, then InfinityKloud is the right product for you. Thank you for checking out my review of the InfinityKloud. If you want more information or want to purchase the InfinityKloud Charge or the InfinityKloud SD, check out the links below, and we'll see you next time.